Good morning, Hickory Hawks. This is Mr. Conley. Welcome to another Video Wednesday. This is a little different. I have a standard video over on our YouTube channel I'd like you to take a look at. It talks about your schedule. In this video, I'm going to talk to you using the computer screen about what your schedule is going to look like for the first day of school. We are planning for you guys to come back to our school eventually for a 7-day schedule. And so when you get your schedule home in the mail sometime in the next 10 days, you're going to see scheduled classes listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's take a look at what that's going to look like. Okay, so here we go. Welcome to Hickory Middle School. This is our virtual edition. And we're going to talk today about what your 6th grade schedule looks like. Again, you'll get your schedule in the mail. And we're planning for you to be back in the building, so you're going to see 7 classes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 listed. But of course, as you know, right now we're starting school online. So the question is, what will school look like for you Tuesday, September 8th? So let's take a look. Well, one of the things we did to make it happen in an online environment is we split your classes up. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you're going to have Math, English, and Core Plus, which is unique because it's 5 days a week, and PE. Then on Tuesday and Thursday, you're going to have your civics, your science, again, Core Plus, and band or an elective class, depending on what you signed up with, right there. So, but not everybody's classes are in the same order. So let's take a look at what it might look like for you. Let's imagine you're a Hickory Hawk 6th grade student, maybe named Ben Roethlisberger. Your schedule looks like this: English, science, Core Plus, civics, math, band, and PE. What we're going to do for Ben is we're going to break up his classes to Monday, Wednesday, Friday. He's going to start out with English instruction. We see here, because if you look at his schedule, he had English first period. Moving on, he's going to have third bell Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's his only 5-day-a-week class. Every 6th grade Hawk will have Core Plus 5 days a week. And then we go down here to fifth bell where he has math. So it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, English and math for all Hawks, and Core Plus for all 6th grade Hawks. Let's look at Tuesday and Thursday. Again, there's Ben's schedule: English, science, Core Plus, civics, math, band, and PE. Tuesday and Thursday, now he's going to start at 9:50. Ben is in science instruction. Again, Core Plus 5 days a week. And then down here, Ben gets his civics instruction, 12:25. Notice that those were different times of day than his English and math instruction. And Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Ben had PE, and now he has band down here in 6th bell. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, though, what in the world am I going to do with all this blank space? What happens in these blank times? Well, let's take a look. What do you do in between? What about all the blank space? Let's take a look at that for Ben. Again, back to Ben's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, his math, English, and Core Plus days. He starts out first bell in English instruction. Here we go. Then he's got this, what was blank space. And what you should be doing there, Hawks, is you're reading, you're completing assignments, you're completing the homework that you were given, you're studying. But over here, we notice that your teachers have office hours. We have these little segments right here. Teachers have, little segments right here. Your teachers have office hours. As we get school going, you're going to find out your teacher's email address. You're going to email them questions. They're going to set up maybe Zoom meetings with small groups or individuals to help you. And that's what happens here in this blue space. So for Ben, he starts his day at 8:45 with the announcements. At 8:55, he goes into English instruction. Then he has this blue period right here. And he is reading, completing assignments, doing homework. Then third bell, as every day of the week, 5 days a week, he's got instruction, Core Plus, some breaks. Of course, time for lunch. Lunch is important. Then math instruction down here. And of course, he ends his day Monday, Wednesday, Friday with PE instruction right here. Okay, so let's look at Ben's Tuesday and Thursday schedule. So if Monday, Wednesday, Friday is math, Core Plus, and English, then Tuesday and Thursday are Core Plus, Science, and Civics class. So he starts his day this time, 8:55. He's reading, he's completing assignments, he's studying. Perhaps he's emailing with a teacher, perhaps he's attending a small group Zoom meeting. But then at 9:50, he starts there with his science instruction. Small break, moves into that third bell, Core Plus, 5 days a week. Again, because it's Tuesday and Thursday, it is Civics and Science Day. So here we are for Ben, Bell 4 Civics instruction, and ending his day down here with live instruction in band class. But of course, not every student has their classes in that order. So let's take a look and see what happens for a student with similar classes, but in a different order. So we'll take a look at Serena. Ben has English, Science, Core Plus, Civics, Math, Band, and then PE. And Serena has some of the same classes: Science, English, Core Plus, third bell, Math, Civics, PE. Notice that it's a different bell than Ben has PE. And then she ends her day in art class because she chose to not take band. So let's compare their schedules. Taking a look, here we go. Ben, again, looking at his schedule, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. He's got English, Core Plus, Math, and PE. But look over here for Serena. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, she starts the day with some of that blue space that we talked about earlier, where she's emailing teachers, completing assignments, doing homework, reading, getting materials together, perhaps in a Zoom meeting one-on-one with a teacher or small group. So Ben starts his day in English, and she starts her day in that blue period we talked about. So moving on, take a look at Ben. Whoops. Take a look at Ben. Then he goes from English into one of those blue periods, and she would start her English class. So he's got it first bell, and she has it second bell. But Monday, Wednesday, Friday for both. Now let's talk about these colors. Consistently throughout this, you're going to see that we have yellow. Yellow is when you're in class, Hawks. So when you review this video, when you look it over again, yellow is in class. That means you're live with a teacher. Attendance will be taken. That's when we're going to see your face and you're going to see our faces. The blue periods are when you are sort of on your own working, doing homework and etc. Which, of course, homework has always been part of school. So let's move on and take a little look at that. There's those kids with those same schedules again, those two kids, Ben and Serena. And we filled in that blue space because we're not doing anything, Hawks. We're doing things on our own. Yellow, you must attend class and have a meaningful interaction. We're going to be asking questions. You're going to be responding to our teachers. You're going to be sending in assignments. You're going to be completing things. You're going to be taking quizzes and tests. That's in those yellow periods. In the blue periods, you're getting ready to do all those things. You're going to read. You're going to write. You're going to do homework. You're going to complete worksheets, just like school always is. Okay, moving on. Let's take a look at some other things, see what we can do. All right. So Hawks, there we are. We've gotten to the bottom of the presentation. We've taken a little look at this. You can watch this video as many times as you want, and I encourage you to do so. Please encourage your friends to watch the video so that the first day of school, Tuesday, September 8th, you have a sense of what is going to happen. Your schedule will be coming home to you in the mail sometime in the next 10 days, and you'll be able to look at those classes 1 through 7 and put them into a grid that kind of looks like the one we made for Ben and Serena, predicting what your day looks like. And then the first day of school, that's the number one thing we're going to go over with you, which is what does your schedule look like? All right, Hawks, it was good talking to you, and I will see you again next Wednesday.